Hi, we are the Sharon Robo, a first Lego League robotics team from Swanee, Georgia. Today we'll be teaching you about our second component for our station, which is our kinetic generator, we call the KG. Our goal with the KG is to convert kinetic energy, this is the type of energy our body makes, into electrical energy. This is the same as electricity, to be able to charge a phone. The KG has several parts, such as a handle, a motor, a diode, and a cable connected to a phone. Now let's zoom in onto each of the parts. The handle is what you use to move to generate the kinetic energy, same as the energy of movement. The motor is not an actual motor. It is an actual motor that we will be using instead of a generator. Let me first explain how a motor actually works. It has two magnets with different polarities, one negative and one positive. And when the electricity charges the coil that is between the magnets, it creates a magnetic field which repels the magnets. When the magnets are repelled, they move to another position, and this creates a rotating movement of the magnets between each other. This is how some electricity is turned into kinetic energy and made the motor move. Now we could also use the motor to generate electricity. Instead of giving it electricity to move, you could rotate the motor and this will change the polarities inside. When you do this, you create an electrical field which makes the electrons move and generate electricity. This is how we use the motor connected to the handle to convert kinetic energy, the movement of the handle itself, into electricity. The last two parts of the KG are the diode and the cable. The diode is a special electrical component which lets the current go in one direction only. When we first built our system without a diode, but when we stopped turning the handle, the electric current from the phone went back to the motor and made it move, while also discharging the phone. By using a diode, the electricity our KG generates is sent to the phone. Once we use this, we know that the current is only going in one direction, so we know that the generator is actually charging the phone. Now let's see it in action. Now I am turning the handle and the green generating energy I am creating is going into the cord. The electricity goes past the diode and into the phone. That's how we turn kinetic energy into green energy. To learn more about the app and solution, visit www.exerciseenergizer.weebly.com. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.